Morocco captain Achraf Hakimi has been named the African Men's Player of the Year, capping an exceptional season that saw him lift the UEFA Champions League with Paris Saint-Germain. The 27-year-old defender enjoyed one of the most decorated campaigns of his career, adding a fourth League One title, the French Cup and the UEFA Super Cup to his accolades. The only blemish came in New York, where PSG were beaten in the Club World Cup final, leaving Hakimi with the runners-up medal. Hakimi beat out two former winners, Liverpool star Mohamed Salah and Nigeria's Victor Osimhen, to secure the honor for the first time. Hakimi said, "It's really an honor for me to be here today and I'm proud to win such a prestigious trophy." Extending gratitude to his family, teammates and Morocco coach Walid, and said, "This trophy is not just for me, it's for all the strong men and women in Africa who dream of becoming footballers." Despite nursing a severely sprained ankle, Hakimi is expected to lead host nation Morocco at the Africa Cup of Nations, which kicks off on December 21. The Atlas Lions will be aiming to claim their first continental title since 1976. Morocco's dominance on the night extended well beyond their captain. Ghislaine Chebak was named African Women's Player of the Year, edging compatriot Sana Saudi and Nigeria's Rashidat Ajibad. The Al Hilal forward was the top scorer at the year's Africa Women's Cup of Nations, where Morocco narrowly lost to Nigeria in the final. Strengthening the host nation's sweep, goalkeeper Yassine Bono walked away with Men's Goalkeeper of the Year award, while Morocco's Under-20 World Cup winning squad and Men's National Team of the Year accolade. Watford's 20-year-old rising star Othman Mama was crowned Young Men's Player of the Year. Cape Verde coach Bobby Starr was honored as Men's Coach of the Year after guiding the island nation just over 500,000 people to qualification for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Nigeria also enjoyed representation on the winners list, with goalkeeper Chamaka Nadozie securing her third consecutive Women's Goalkeeper of the Year award, further cementing her status as one of the continent's most continent performers. Meanwhile, Real Madrid star Kylian Mbappe has congratulated his close friend Hakimi on winning the African Ballon d'Or at the CAF Awards 2025. Mbappe, now playing for Real Madrid, shared a photo of Hakimi holding the golden ball on Instagram and wrote, "I love you, brother, King of Africa. Well done, my brother. It is more than deserved award." His message highlighted both admiration and friendship. Hakimi and Mbappe built a strong bond during their 3 seasons together at Paris Saint-Germain. They were often seen celebrating goals together and supporting each other publicly. They have remained close friends despite Mbappe's move to Spain, with the French striker continuing to show support for Hakimi's achievement. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.